Turnin and Burnin.
What's going on? Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. Have you not subscribed? Why have you not subscribed? One of the coolest channels on YouTube right now. Alright, maybe not, but we're trying to make it that way. Today's video, I'm going to take you along and show you how chaotic it could be on a job site like this, building a new frac sand plant. Back here behind me, we're going to be hanging the bin in 2 pieces right here. We're going to be stacking it up, and then after that we're going to kind of start working from back, putting the conveyor up to feed that bin, and then way back in the back of the plant we're going to start pouring some concrete, get ready for a travel pad for a stacker that's going in, and we got a bunch of other things going on. So we'll show you a little bit of everything so you can kind of see what goes on in just a general day out here building a frac sand plant. Man, y'all getting ready to post that stuff on Turnin and Burnin Facebook page?
Oh yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Let's get a good edit. Woo! Make sure to go to our socials. I Be The Difference on Instagram and Turnin and Burnin on Facebook.
Yes, sir.
Ain't that right, Chris Vibes?
Yes, sir.
Alright, cruising down to the other end of the plant, make sure all the rebar and everything's ready and set to pour concrete, because we have concrete coming in a couple hours or so. So let's head over there and see how things are looking. Remember, kids, safety first. Alright, this is where the pour is going to be today. Go double check, make sure everything's looking good. Technology. All right, concrete will be here in about an hour. They're gonna be pouring this whole travel pad right here. What's up, man? Y'all ready to pour? All right, so all the concrete stuff looks good, rebar looks good. Concrete truck's on its way. I'm gonna head back over the other side. The crane should be moving in place, getting ready to pick that stuff up. Guys know what to do, but I need to be over there and make sure everything's good, make sure we got our JSAs done, make sure all our paperwork's done, and we're good to go. So I'm gonna head over back to the other side of the plant. Hey, hurry up! Alright, man, walking up. I didn't get here in time to watch them flip it over. What y'all got going on? Getting it all hooked up. Let's see. Let's see what Miguel's got. Let's see his torch skills. Hey, we're gonna zoom in on this, Miguel. Don't burn me, Miguel!
Let's get it in the air.
first piece is set. I'm gonna head down the road, check on the concrete crew. Hey, hurry up! Alright, concrete's looking good over there. About to put this next piece up in the air. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Right there. That's where it's going. Here we go, turning and burning. We'll just get a couple bullpens, a couple bolts in it, and we'll break for lunch. Everything's looking good, brother.
Yes, sir, right away.
Who says you can't still play with Legos when you get old? The Legos just get bigger. Alright, they don't quit now. It's after lunch. They got the hopper up in the air. So we just move the crane over. We don't stop, we just keep on moving. Now we're gonna go ahead and start hanging the conveyor up. That conveyor comes from underneath the tunnel up here. And it's gonna go all the way up. Feed the top of that hopper right there. I'm not going to go into too much detail. You can look at our other videos and see all the other conveyors we've installed. It's pretty much the same thing. Just boom, 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 and we're done. Just like that, I'm gonna start putting the rest of the conveyor together. I'm not gonna go into too much detail, put many of these together. I'll link some other videos at the end of this. You can watch it, or you can click right here, and you can watch one of our videos of us installing the conveyors. I'm gonna go over there, check on the concrete guys, see how they're going. I'll be right back. All right, all right, all right. The day is almost over. I'm gonna have to get up in the office there and do all the timesheets and everything like that. I just want to take y'all along, kind of see what a normal day is out on a job site like this. It's not always this hectic. Maybe not be doing pours every single day. May not be doing as much with the cranes, but every day is a new adventure. And I wanted to show you what it takes. It takes all kinds of people doing all kinds of different things, and everybody working hard like a well-oiled machine. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe. I don't know why you're not subscribed yet. Well, you know what? It's that time. We ain't dragging up, but we're rolling on up out of here. Till next time, adios. Go!